Today for lunch, we got Dave's Hot Chicken. It comes with 6 pieces of their nuggets, coleslaw, french fries, pickles, and their famous sauce. And of course, we got to sprinkle on some honey. And some extra Dave's sauce. Look at how insane this looks. My stomach is literally grumbling. Cheers, guys. This is freaking incredible. The perfect bite. The tenders are so flavorful and crunchy. And the coleslaw is such a great addition. Adding the honey provides such a sweet and nice contrast to the spiciness. It's excellent. This is perfection. Time for a bev. Today we have Cherry Cola by Poppi. Chicken, fries, and pickle. I'm gonna give this an 8.5 out of 10.